Today's topic is computer virus and its protection. Computer virus is a type of malicious software or malware that spreads between computers and causes damage to data and software. Computer viruses aim to disrupt system, cause major operational issues, and result in data loss and leakage. A key thing to know about the computer virus is that they are designed to spread across programs and systems. Computer viruses typically attach to an executable host file, which results in their viral codes executing when a file is opened. The code then spreads from the document or software it is attached to via networks, drives, file sharing programs, or infected email attachment. But what is computer virus exactly is? A computer virus will more than likely have an adverse effect on the device it resides on and may be describable through common signs of performance loss, including speed of a system, pop-up windows, programs self-executing, accounts being logged out, crashing of the device, mass emails being sent from your email account, changes to your homepage. These are things which can happen. How do computer viruses work? Computer viruses are malicious programs that either activate immediately or lie dormant until triggered. They work in the following four distinct phases: dormant phases, propagation phase, triggering phase, and execution phase. What causes computer virus to spread? In early days of computing, viruses spread through between devices via floppy disk, which is not existing now, while they can still be transmitted through hard drives and universal USB devices today. They are now more commonly spread over the internet. Removable devices, unverified downloads, email attachment, file sharing and torrent sites, messages and apps, and malicious ads. So, moreover, old or unpatched systems give viruses an easy entry point. Attackers exploit known vulnerabilities to infect devices that haven't been updated. Once active viruses can damage files, steal data, or disrupt systems. Practicing good cyber hygiene, such as regular updates, avoiding suspicious links, and using reliable antivirus tools, is crucial to detect, block, or remove them before they do damage. What are the types of computer viruses? Resident virus, multi-parrot virus, direct action, browser hijacker, web scraping virus, file infector, network virus, and boot sector virus. Few signs that can reflect computer viruses: unexpected pop-ups and change settings, unusual email activity, slower caching system, unfamiliar programs and startup behavior, auto passwords and frequent errors. The best method for virus removal from your computer is removing a computer virus is not always straightforward. However, following structures can help to reduce damage. Start with a trusted antivirus tool. Go offline immediately. Clear out junk files. And safe mode for damage control. Scan the entire system. Remove or isolate threats. Restart and recheck the device. Patch the system and get in touch with an expert. Now, what is the last and important point is how to protect your computer from virus. Use a trusted antivirus product. Avoid clicking pop-up advertisements. Scan your email attachments and scan the files that you download using file sharing programs.